Hello and welcome to episode 2 of creating digital trims and controls by yourself. And really this is an update on episode 1 because in that episode I found that if you wanted to use digital trimming as a control, you only got about 50% of travel, although if you turned the trim maximum up to 150%, you could get 75% travel of the servo, but it still wasn't full control over things, so that did limit its usefulness a bit. Well, I've discovered, of course, that being a Jeti, you can do it properly and get 100% travel of the servo, and this opens up some lovely possibilities for using it to control gyros, or as a stepper control if you've got one of those lights controllers that has sort of multiple flashing sequences that have to be selected depending on where you've turned the tuning knob. Fine if you just set up a switch to go to one particular location, but you could use this as like a stepper control over your servo to step round different points. And in particular, this now brings in the use of using it as a digital control for the gain of an assist gyro, because you can go now from -100 up to +100. Although obviously you do this without using the inbuilt gyro menus. You just create your own. So let's have a quick look at how it's done. Pop into menu. I have created a function called gain, and I've set it to trim 5. Okie doke, as the control. We've assigned a servo output for gain, so channel 2 will be controlling our gain or your light controller or whatever. Into fine tuning, digital trim, come down and add in. You've got these 2 spare trimmers, so we've added in P8, assigned it to the function gain. I've said it's separate. You can leave it global if you want, and just for this purpose of the demonstration, I've set the step to 10% so that each click of the dial gives us quite a decent jump, and you can see it. If you have it at 2%, it'll just take us longer to make the video because we click, 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 clicking as it slowly steps around. Interestingly enough, the output does not jump 10% in each step. It jumps a bit less. And so let's have a little look at that. Here we go here. Have a look at the servo output. It's channel 2. So first step, gone 14, 28, 40, 52. So it's jumping like 10 to 14% at a time. But just to prove that we can take it all the way up to 100%. Won't go any further. Now rotate the knob the other way. And we can get to -100. So let's just show it on the servo. There's the servo at -100, and now I'll click it to the right. There you are. So, yep, you can get the entire range of travel as a digital control. Great for certain items. Hope that was useful to you. Bye for now.